How to prepare the pocketoption.com platform for binary option strategies. Access the pocketoption.com broker through the universal link or with your personal link already active. Enter your login details and access the demo platform. To prepare the graph, we access the settings. We choose currency pairs that have a good payout. Japanese candlestick chart. We adjust the duration of the candles, for example, 1 minute each. Trade expiry, timed with clock symbol, or candle expiry with flag symbol. For example, let's choose a 3-minute expiry time, which corresponds to the duration of 3 candles. Let's try a simple strategy by adding indicators. A MACD indicator and 2 moving averages. One with 7 periods, yellow, and one with 200 periods, blue. Adjust the parameters according to the strategy instructions. Example of strategy. We open a call operation at the intersection of the MACD curves when the candle is above the 2 moving averages. The operation was successful. Now you know how to customize your platform according to the instructions of the new strategies. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and try binary options and Forex strategies.